Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at the Home2 suites near the San Antonio Airport in San Antonio, Texas. This one's here. Yes, we're going out. And as you can tell, these elevators are actually on separate controllers. Don't ask me how. Are you kidding me? The door control buttons are broken. Alright, here we go. That sounds very unhealthy. Four. Nice elevators, but they could use some work. And why are we stopping? Going up?
Are you going up? Yeah, we're going up to three.
Thank you, man.
Thanks, bro. Oh, man. I'm freaking tired.
No, you're not. You need to, you need to do a cold shower. So. I need some.
Yeah.
10W40. Is this 3?
Yeah. This is 3.
Thank you, man.
No problem. They definitely do need some grease. I'll tell you that. Here we go, rumble. That's sounding really unhealthy. Probably some of the worst 3300s I've been on. Watch this. Push this button here. See? That one calls that one. This one calls this one. That's weird. Still waiting. No, wait, what's with the door closed? Sounds like someone was gonna like push a couple random keys, so we'll use that as a chime. You know, these things don't have much room, by the way. See, the door closed. The door controls work on this one. Alright, let's go back up to 4. Whatever reason, I do not feel safe on these things. Especially considering I'm staying at this hotel. Some of the worst 13300s I've been on. Go ahead.
Yeah, you go ahead first.
There goes that one. Sorry. See? This one calls this one, and this one calls this one. Very weird. But this is kind of the rare scenario where they're not on the set, they're on a single controller, even though they don't deserve the same amount of floors. But yeah, those are the elevators here. Anyway, I guess that's gonna be it for me.